Hello and welcome to Rentle. My name is Diego. In this and the following videos, I'm going to show you how to get started with Rentle and get you selling in no time. First things first, signing up to Rentle. You can create a free Rentle account by going to rentle.io and clicking Get Started in the top right corner. Next, fill in the information that's asked in the sign up flow, and that's it. You have a store. You get a lot of powerful features already in the Rentle free, including online booking system and tools to manage your inventory and fulfill orders. Next, let's set up your account, starting by filling in your business info. This info works as the default across your account. Later, you will learn how to edit your store and location-specific details, but for now, let's head over to your account settings. Your business name is pre-filled based on what you input during your sign-up. So fill in the empty fields like business ID, phone number, and add a logo if you already have one. Next, let's update the regional formats to match your local preferences. You can edit things like currency, date, time formats, measurement units, tax levels, and so on. Head over to account and regional formats and update everything according to your preference. Here you can change currency, date format, unit system, country and time zone, things like that. To add tax level and manage the way you want taxes to be calculated, go back to account and click taxes. For example, here I can add a new tax rate, and I can also choose whether I would like to include the tax in the price or exclude the tax from the price. Now we have updated the account info and regional formats. Next up is to update your store information and settings. Head over to the settings via the main menu. The store information includes your address, contact details, and a short description of your business. These are public to your customers and can be edited store by store if you have multiple locations. Part of the initial setup is to update the opening hours of your business, so let's switch the tab. By default, you can see pre-filled business hours for weekdays and weekends. You can adjust these to your likings and add exception periods, for example, bank holidays. What I'm going to do here is I'm going to add a new row and I'm going to change it to Sunday, and I'm going to mark it as store closed. So from now on, even though there is the weekends here, on Sundays the store will show as closed. Finally, before moving on to creating products and eventually publishing your store to the public, let's have a quick look at the other settings and preferences you can use to make things a bit smoother. First, you can choose the language in which you'd prefer to use Rentle's admin tools. Currently, the admin tools are available in English, German, Spanish, Finnish, Estonian, and Czech. Now we're going to go back to the account settings and we will go to notifications. Here you can define your email notification preferences when you get new online reservations or someone extends the booking. Booking extensions are included in any of our paid plans. Finally, you can edit your terms and policies to your liking. So let's go back to account settings and terms of policies. Upload your T&C and privacy policy documents. Your customers must accept these documents before they can place orders, and they're also included in the order confirmation emails Rentle sends to your customers. You can upload these by selecting the file, or you can simply drag and drop the file and it will upload. You can also define your online store cookie policy. Under the General Data Protection Regulation, GDPR, or other private regulations, visitors to your website must consent to being tracked. Lastly, we're going to define our cancellation and refund policy. Here I can add a new term for as long as I want, but I'm just going to say that one day before I will give the customer 50% refund. Automatically the system includes that if the cancellation was made less than one day before, then there will be no refund. And I can of course add longer duration, so I will add 2 days before and I will give them 100% refund. That's the basic setup of Rentle. There's still much more you can do before and after going live with your store, but you're in good speed. Continue to the next videos to learn how to create products, set up payments, and much more.